Welcome to Dr. Chloe's clinic.
Hi, Dr. Chloe. I'm Noah. I heard about DNA in school, but I'm not sure what it really is. Can you explain what DNA is?
Hello, Noah. I'd love to help you understand DNA. DNA is like a recipe book that tells your body how to build itself. It's found in almost every cell of your body and has instructions for everything about you, like how tall you'll grow or what color your eyes are. Imagine if you had a construction kit with instructions to build a super cool robot. DNA is just like that instruction kit, but for building and running your body. DNA looks like a twisted ladder called a double helix. The steps of this ladder are made of different chemicals that pair up in special ways. These pairs create the instructions, or genes, for building you.
So what exactly are genes then? Are they different from DNA?
Great question, Noah. Genes are parts of DNA. Each gene is a piece of the instruction from your DNA that does a specific job. You can think of genes as individual recipes in a cookbook where each recipe makes a different dish. For example, one gene might give you blue eyes, while another decides if you're good at sports. There are thousands of genes in your DNA, and they all work together to make you unique. Every living thing, from tiny bacteria to big blue whales, has DNA. It's what makes every creature different and special in their own way.
Wow, that's awesome. Thanks, Dr. Chloe, for making it so clear. I never knew how important DNA and genes were.
You're welcome, Noah. I'm glad you enjoyed learning about DNA. It's fascinating to see how tiny codes inside our bodies make us who we are. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments with your name, and I'll do my best to answer by creating a video like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your participation encourages me to continue creating content. Thank you for joining our journey at Curiosity Meets Answers.